In today's video, I'll show you how you can extract back orders from an entire email correspondence, such as this one. Imagine you're emailing back and forth with your supplier or customer, and the conversation goes on for a while, making it hard to keep track of important details. Instead of reading through each email one by one, what if you could just forward the entire thread to an app and extract the important information into an Excel sheet? It's so simple. Let me show you how to do it. First, go to Extract AI app and click on Create a template, create a custom template. Here we can customize our template by adding relevant fields we want extracted. I'll add these fields, but you can put whatever is relevant to you. Now let's copy this unique email address and forward our full correspondence. This will send it to the Extract AI app. Here is our extracted data. You can download it as an Excel, PDF, or JSON. If you have an Excel master file on SharePoint with all the back orders and would like to automatically update it with this data, check out this video by TW Waytech, where he shows step-by-step how to create this automation in Power Automate. I will also put a link to his video in the comment section below. That is all for today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer them. See you in the next one.